Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. Juice Bar Channel is amazing, guys, to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipes, ideas and things that you like to make at home. Anyway, a simple recipe today. I'm going to make you a simple recipe. I have some leftover. This is leftover curry and plain rice. All right, I'm going to be doing a simple salad for you guys. And you know what I mean, I want to say you don't need to throw anything in the bin. It's good for you guys to, you know what I mean, if you have something left over, save it and use it for the next day to do something. And this is exactly what Chef Ricardo do today. I'm gonna show you how you can make your own salad with leftover stuff. Anyway, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google+. Get your favorite recipes and ideas and things what you like to make at home. Don't forget to click on the bell and subscribe. Very important. Leave your comments in the description box and follow Chef Ricardo cooking show, and also juice bar and also salad bar. Stay lovely, guys. So basically this is my curry which I have left over, curry and some diced chicken breasts. All right, so what I'm going to do is mash it up using a fork or a spoon or whatever you have. All right, this is the curry chicken, is the diced one I'm using, so there's no bone inside of it. All right, so what you're going to do is get a spring onion and cut up a spring onion really small. That's exactly what you want to do. And you know, yesterday when I cook it, I said to myself, you know what happened, I'm just gonna simple do a nice lovely salad from this, guys. So that's the spring onion. Then tomato. This is very easy to make. All right, very easy to make, and I know you guys can make this at home. I'm gonna use some spring, this is some red onion which I'm going to be using. To bring in a lovely flavor to it also. Nice one. Cucumber is a must. All right, and I'm just only using half of a cucumber. And that is very easy and simple to make. I'm gonna put a little bit of cracked pepper. You don't need to use too much pepper because remember, we already have a lot of season on the rice and also a lot of season on the curry chicken. So we're just gonna simply use our hand and simple mix it together like this. Just a new ideas for you guys, where you guys can do this at home. It doesn't need any rocket science. As you can see, that's the chicken, there's no bone, but I just want to give you guys something different. All right, so this is gonna just be rice and chicken with salad. Very easy and simple recipe. If you have leftover stuff, do not chuck it in the bin. And this is where you can do ideas is good from Chef Ricardo. So what we're gonna do next now is simple share it out. Just like this. If you don't mind, you can just carry this to work into a bowl like this, guys. Look at that. That is fantastic. Leftover stuff. And that's exactly what I'm talking about. So basically, cook a little bit of on top of it. Lovely. So this come in really handy for someone who have been cooking a lot of food, don't know what to do with it. This is what you can do with it. So please follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and get your favorite recipes and ideas from Chef Ricardo on the team. So please stay tuned and also subscribe, click on the bell. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye bye.